In this video, I am going to show you how to control who can see your profile photo on WhatsApp. So if you're someone who wants to let certain people see your profile photo and others not to see it, I'm going to show you how you can do exactly that on WhatsApp. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So for the first step is that you want to head over to WhatsApp. Once you're in WhatsApp, click on these three dots right over here and click on the settings option. Once you do that, click on the privacy option and click on the my profile photo or profile photo option. Once you do that, you can then from here control who can see and who cannot see your profile photo. If you want nobody to see your profile photo, you can easily click on the nobody option. But if you want certain contacts to see your profile photo and certain contacts not to see your profile photo, you can easily select the my contacts except, and it's going to give you a range of people you can select not to see your profile photo. So if I want these contacts not to see my profile photo, I can easily click on them, and if I click on this plus right over here, or rather this OK option, this will make those certain people not to see my profile photo. So that's how you can easily block certain people from seeing your profile photo on WhatsApp. So that said, thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.